Yeah. Hey, she's going. Oh yeah.
Love the ball, boys.
Whoa, look at the charge spike.
Holy!
Did you try the nitrous?
Did I hit it with the nitrous?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Bloody hell. Crazy. You got the fire extinguisher?
Oh, it's going again!
That oil tank's gone. Oh, your throttle body's gone, man. You got fire extinguisher? Wow.
Insanity. That's the fucking coolest thing I did. Holy fucking feel the heat coming from it.
Look at that. That is insane. Look at the second turbo, man. That's glowing too.
Oh my goodness. It melted the whole. Oh, this servo is toast.
Yeah, I saw your arm came off.
It's melted. Battery's good? I don't know. Oh, it's still connected.
Yeah, disconnect. It's a lipo.
It's a lipo.
Yeah, maybe get that off of there.
Yeah. Do you want it? That was probably the most intense thing I've ever seen in my life. I thought it was gonna like explode, but it handled it.
Did the stack melt over a bit? Is that bent over?
Bent way over.
Yeah.
Oh, what the stack?
Yeah, man. Whole thing squint. Look at it.
I don't know, but
Next up.
this
I
is
think
all
your throttle
melted.
body's toasted, man.
Oh my goodness!